Today's message brought by Archangel Zadkiel. At this moment, Archangel Zadkiel brings a message of profound liberation and transformation to your life. From this point forward, know that all dark spirits have been removed from your path through the mighty power of Archangel Zadkiel. This is a phase of significant change, where the spiritual and divine power within you will shine with unparalleled strength. Archangel Zadkiel has intervened with his divine will, purifying your energy and releasing you from any negative influence that may have obstructed your path. Now you are destined to shine with your full potential, every facet of your being radiating light and love. Your divine will for liberation has been heard and answered, and it's time to move forward with confidence and determination. Allow this change to flow into your life like a river of spiritual renewal. Open your heart and mind to the blessings that lie ahead. This is the moment to embrace your true essence, to connect with the divine power that resides within you, and to walk in the light with gratitude and love. Archangel Zadkiel accompanies you on this journey, guiding and protecting you at every step. Allow yourself to feel the comforting presence of this Archangel as you embark on a new phase of your life. Trust that you are surrounded by divine love and support, and that your path is illuminated by the brilliance of your inner self. Always remember that you are a being of light and love, deserving of all the blessings the universe has in store for you. Keep your heart open to abundance and positivity, and move forward with the certainty that you are on the right path. Let's make this decree to Archangel Zadkiel together. Take a deep breath. With the strength of Archangel Zadkiel and my profound desire for transformation, I proclaim this decree of liberation. From this moment onward, I allow the light of Archangel Zadkiel to permeate every corner of my being. I release all that limits and bind me to negative and dark energies. With courage and determination, I embrace the impending transformation. Archangel Zadkiel guides my steps on this path of liberation. With his sword of light, he dissolves any ties or burdens that hinder my progress. He cuts and releases, cuts and releases, cuts and releases, cutting away what no longer serves me. In this sacred moment, I allow my being to be purified and renewed. The chains of negativity fade in the presence of divine light. My mind clears, my heart expands, and my soul ascends to new heights. I am free from the shackles of the past, from the emotional burdens that have kept me trapped. I open the doors to new opportunities and experiences. With gratitude, I accept the transformation manifesting in my life. From now on, my path is illuminated by the light of Archangel Zadkiel. I trust in his guidance and power to free me from all that no longer serves. I walk in the direction of my true essence, surrounded by divine love and protection. Thank you, Archangel Zadkiel, for your presence and assistance in this process of liberation and transformation. I trust in your guidance and open myself to receiving all the blessings the universe has for me. So be it, and so it is. Amen. I hope this channeling and decree resonates with you, illuminating your being. With much love and light, I am Zoe, voice for We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you deeply. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If this content resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to reach the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.